our new facial steamer. Okay, new facial steamer. And okay, so what we have, I'm going to point out each part first. Okay, so here we have the cleaning brush. Okay, cleaning brush. And we have the y'all know Coco want to get her. Okay. The steaming tube here. The steaming tube. If y'all hear any noise, they're cutting my lawn. They're cutting my lawn. Okay, now these little wings here are the protective shields. I guess we could take those off, y'all, because we're going to be using this baby in a minute. I'm excited. Y'all know Coco want to play with some paper. Give us some paper to play with. Okay. So those of you that's doing your facials, this will be a very nice addition to your facials. Okay, this will take your facials to another level, your skincare to a whole other level. Okay, isn't that neat? Okay, now this is the water tank. Okay, so we're going to fill it up. We will be filling it up to here. That's the maximum for the water. Now let's see. Okay, we have the steam switch is right here, and this is the ozone switch right here. Okay, and let's see. It is actually very simple to put together, y'all. Okay, so we're going to put it in like this. This goes here, and it has these nugs here. Okay, y'all know how to use those little nugs, and so we're just gonna and there we go. And you could turn it however you need. It goes all the way around. Okay, I love that. Yes, it goes all the way around. Look at that, y'all. All the way around. Great. This is a very good quality one. Very good quality. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so we'll turn. Okay, and you can turn this down. Okay, that's steaming. Okay, steaming tube is at the top here. Okay, that's at the top. Okay, so now that's it. Very easy. Very easy, okay? Now, in my next video, okay, let's see what's back here, because I see something in the back here. Okay, there is a place where you could, okay, this is in the back here. This is where you pour the water, okay? Where you pour the water. Okay, so, okay, that's where you pour your water. Okay, in there. Okay. Yes, so I am so excited. Can't wait to put this baby to use. I think I'm going to do a facial today. So be prepared. Y'all stay tuned for that video. Okay. Oh, let me put this back. Put this top back on the top. So I purchased this from Amazon. For those of you who didn't watch my previous video, yes, from Amazon. Okay, and this is very nice quality. Very nice quality. I'm sure I'm going to have this a very long time, and I believe it comes with, you could put a warranty on it, some type of coverage. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about the effects, how this machine will help your skin. That's the next video. So thank you all for tuning in to my video on how to assemble our facial steamer. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And follow me on IG. I have 2 IGs. Okay, one for our brand, which is Chick Babes and Chick Fur Baby, and that IG is Chick _ and _ Babes _ Fur Baby. Okay. Then my other IG is JA.CQUELYN4, and then on Threads is the same. It is JA.CQUELYN4. On TikTok, I am Zion Israel Locks. That's ZIONISRAELLOCS. On Pinterest, I am Jacqueline Dorinda Chick, the same as YouTube. Okay. Thanks for watching, babes. Stay tuned for the next video. And happy Tuesday, Taco Tuesday.